Yeah, that's some pretty good espresso. Hey, I'm Carter. I really like coffee, but I also really like other things, like engineering and woodworking and using my brain to figure stuff out. So I've been a barista for about 7 years now, and I thought it would be a really fun idea to try to build my own espresso machine. I didn't really know how hard it was going to be until I actually tried to start to do it. But after about a year of planning and a few months of building, I actually pulled it off. So a few weeks ago, my friends recommended that I posted this espresso machine project to Reddit, and I finally got around to doing that. I posted it to the coffee subreddit, and I was blown away by the response that it got. I got all sorts of questions like, what kind of parts did I use? How did I source these parts? How did I fabricate the body of it? So I started to answer these questions one by one until a few people actually suggested that I started to make a YouTube series about this, and I thought that sounded like a lot of fun. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm doing now. So I thought it'd be a good idea if I had you guys put any sort of questions that you had down in the comments below, and I'd be happy to go through and read some of them and answer them in some future videos. Thanks again to everybody that helped inspire me to put this video together. I'm really excited to see where this goes. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.